San Diego County is home to a little over 3 million people, but in the next 15 years, our population will grow by almost 1 million.
So how do you create a balance between the environment and all those people? 10 News anchor Steve Atkinson tells us about one local man who's trying to do just that by teaching a new generation of San Diegans to act now.
San Diego County is a unique place, home to beautiful mountains, sunny beaches, and fantastic sunsets over a blue ocean. But it won't stay that way if we don't take care of it. And that's where the Equinox Center comes in.
The mission of the organization is to really not only sustain but improve the quality of life for all those in the region.
And for all those to come. The Equinox Center estimates that our county will add about 750,000 people by the year 2030, and that growth will have a major impact on our environment. The Equinox Center strives to create a balance between all those people and the environment by educating San Diegans through nonpartisan, forward-thinking research. More importantly, educating and developing the leaders of tomorrow.
They're going to see less litter, they're going to see less waste in our landfills, and they're going to feel more environmentally conscious as they start to implement that program in the future.
That vision for the future is why Callan co-founded the Equinox Center 7 years ago. It was a cross between conserving the environment and the city he loves for generations to come.
Well, for me personally, it's because San Diego's given me so much.
Trevor, on behalf of Lead San Diego and 10 News, I want to congratulate you for the 10 News Leadership Awards.
Thank you very much.
Helping to ensure a healthy environment and a strong economy for decades to come. That's why Trevor Callan is a 10 News leader.
Our company and our family, it's important to have a balanced life, not only work, family, exercise, but giving back to the community as well.
Steve Atkinson, 10 News.
If you know someone that you would like to nominate for the 10 News Leadership Award, just go to our website, 10news.com, and click on Lifestyle.